Hello and welcome to the double V stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, we will chain in multiples of 2, then add 2 chains for the foundation chain. For row 1, place 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from hook. Skip the next chain, then place 2 double crochets into the next chain. Repeat this down the row. You will skip the next chain, then place 2 double crochets into the chain after the skip chain. You will do this until you have 2 chains remaining. With the last 2 chains, skip the next one and then place 1 double crochet into the last chain. For row 2, chain 3 and turn. Skip the next 2 stitches, then place 2 double crochets between the second skip stitch and the next stitch. You are placing the 2 double crochets between the 2 double crochets from the previous row. Repeat this down the row. In between each of the 2 double crochets from the last row, place 2 more double crochets. When you get to the end of the row, you will skip the 1 stitch and then place a double crochet into the turning chain. Repeat row 2 until the desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.